Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this series, I'm going to be doing a series. I'll be helping you guys master all the pieces on the chessboard. So I'll be using two websites to make you learn how to use all the pieces on the chessboard. I'll be using leadchess.org, again leadchess.org, and I'll be using chess.com. So first, let's go to leadchess.org and click learn and click chess basics. Then he'll give you all the basics and like how to move all the rooks. First, I'll tell you how the rook moves. The rook. So in this video, I'll be talking to you guys about the rook. The rook, it moves in straight lines. So I'll be using chess.com to demonstrate this. So let me just place another rook in the middle. This is not how the real game is, but for you guys to learn, I'll be doing this. Normally you only have two rooks, but you can do a setup mode in chess.com, which you can use how many ever rooks you want. So for that, I'm going to teach you guys how to use it. Actually, I'm just going to remove everything other than the rook. Then I'm going to click on new analysis and setup, and then delete all of this. There. Then I'm just gonna place one other king here, so it's like actual game. So let's place this rook in the middle. Now I'm gonna tell you guys how the rook works. The rook can only move straight down. It can only move in straight lines, so it can move either up or down or right or left. So it can move up or down. Okay, there I have to make black has to make a move, or down, or right, or left. So that's how the rook works. How the rook moves and stuff. So now let's go to leadchess.org and click on the rook. Okay, stage 1, the rook. The rook is a powerful piece. Are you ready to command it? Let's go. So now it says click on the rook and bring it to the star. So we have to click on the rook. Like I told you guys, it only moves in straight lines, either left, right, up or down. So you have to bring it to the star. So do I just click on the star? Yeah. So now the rook has to go here and here. So first we have to click on the rook, then go to here. Click on the star. Alright, normally you have to click on the position you want to go to. So, and then let's click here. Outstanding. The fewer moves you make, the more points you win. Okay, so like this is like a game. So the fewer moves you make, the more points you win. So if I go over here, then I have to go back for this and for this. So how about we just go over here first. You have to think like which is the best way and like which takes fewer moves. You can there are two ways to like move pieces on chess.com and lead chess. Either you can click where you want to go, or either you can like drag and drop. So you can drag this and drop over here. Yeah, like that. So now let's go to over here because that's the only one we have. So either we can go over here or over here. But since there's only one over here, we can go to this first and then go up and then take these both. And now we can go up and we can take this last one. See, like if I now there are two rooks. Normally, like I told you in a chess game, there are two rooks. So this rook can't take this star because it doesn't move diagonal. So this rook can take these both stars, and this rook can take this both stars. After we go over here, we can go over here and go over here. How about for this rook, we can just take this one and take this one. Nailed it. So we got 3 stars for all of them. And let's do this one. 3 stars means I didn't make a mistake. But this is getting harder and harder. So how do I do this? Okay, I think this rook can take this 2 and this rook can take these 4. I mean 5. So I think let's just do the easy ones first. Now we have to go up, and if we take this one, we have to go down and take that. So that's why. Let's take this one first, because there are only two in the there are already two in this line, right? So yeah, now nailed it. Let's go. Yay! I successfully mastered the rook. That's it for this video, guys. I didn't want you guys to get bored, so I'm just going to do the series. So yeah, thank you for watching. Watch the next video for bishop, I think. Yeah.